Meaning of der.
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 Da.
Da. The prefix de dash is a Latin prefix that means opposite of or reversal. It is commonly used in English words to indicate removal, separation, or negation. For example, deactivate means to render something inactive, decide means to reach a conclusion or make a choice, and detoxify means to remove toxins from something. The use of de dash can completely change the meaning of a word and often implies a sense of undoing or reversing an action. In summary, de dash indicates a reversal or negation of the root word it is attached to.